and I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always post.
Hey, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Thank you for the support. In today's video, I decided to do a minimalistic makeup look, something simple that's actually doesn't require a lot of products. I know oftentimes we say a no makeup look and we still use a full face of makeup. If you hear noise in the background, my mom's phone is ringing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in. Now, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so today I am going to be doing a realistic minimal makeup look. Like, gonna be a few makeup products being used, but not that many. Like, cause I know we say no makeup look, or that we're not using that many products, and then we put a full face on. And I know you guys are like, that's not minimal, that's still, you know. So today, the purpose of this video is to actually do a minimalistic makeup look that hopefully you guys can do yourselves. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to fill my eyebrows in. I'm not gonna be all extra like they normally are. I'm just gonna fill them in. Okay, then normally this is the part where I would moisturize my face, but because it's hot, because it's hot outside, I won't be using any oil today. I'm just going to be using this spray. It's Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray, rose water. This is what it looks like. Most of the time you guys see me using it, I spray it on my sponge, but it's actually a good facial spray as well. And you can use it as a setting spray too. Then I'm going to take a concealer that's close to my skin tone, just to conceal the parts of my face that I have discoloration, like underneath my eyes, my cheeks right here, around my mouth. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Because it is concealer, you do still want to set those places so that your concealer doesn't crease. And I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus finishing powder in Banana. This is my favorite setting powder right now. And I'm just gonna put it in those places where I use concealer at. And I like to push it in rather than letting it bake. Okay, so I know I look a little ashy, but don't worry, we're gonna get that fixed. I'm just gonna take a brush and just brush the powder off. Okay, so next I'm going to take this Born to Glow by NYX liquid illuminator, and I'm going to put it in the places that I would normally highlight, just to give myself a little glow. And you just take it and put it on your hand. You don't have to use a brush or anything unless you want to. Okay, then I am going to take my blush palette. This is Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter Coffee and Cocoa. If you are watching my videos, you know this is one of my favorite palettes to use. And I'm just going to use this little color right here. It's La Vida Mocha. And just add a little blush on my cheeks just because I like blush. And just a little bit. Then I'm gonna go through and use the Catrice 3D Glow highlighter, and I'm going to actually put this on top of that liquid illuminator. Now I'm going to add some lashes using my lash duo glue. When I'm doing a minimalistic look like this, a simple look, I like to use dramatic lashes most of the time. So I'm probably going to do that. I don't know, I have like 3 pair here. I'm debating on which ones I want to use. Okay, and I like to wait for that to dry a little bit before I add anything to it. So now then I'm going to go ahead and add my lashes. And I'm going to add a little mascara. Now then, I'm going to go back in and use this Mario Badescu spray and just spray my face. And lastly, I am just going to put on some lip gloss. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope it was simple. I thought it was simple. If it wasn't, y'all can comment down below and tell me if it isn't. It won't hurt my feelings, I promise. But thank you for watching this video. Thank you for the support. I really do appreciate it. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos while you're here. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Thursday.
Somebody told me I